Home Minister is at Prime Minister's residence. The PM meets the Home Minister ahead of the Jammu and Kashmir all-party meeting. Well, this is an important meeting coming right ahead of the top J&K leaders meeting the Prime Minister that is scheduled for 3 p.m. today. Let me go across to Ayushman to understand what's going on at the moment with this high-level meeting now called right ahead of the J&K leaders meet. Ayushman, tell us more about what exactly is the agenda, what exactly is the thinking in the top leadership right now ahead of that very crucial meeting that is going to happen later today with the political leaders of Jammu and Kashmir.
Planning with the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir where, all the top leaders, almost 14 of them, they've come from Jammu and Kashmir to hold talk with the center. Definitely 370 and the abrogation will be an agenda from their side, but from center side, how things move forward, how the elections can take place, how one can expect the electoral democracy to prevail on ground, how elections can take place, the delimitation process is to be completed. All that will be on agenda. Though the opposition, the leaders from Jammu and Kashmir have maintained that Article 370's abrogation and the talks on restoration will also be there. But what we are getting to know is that the important aspect will be as to how from here on the democracy, the democratic process gets its due recognition on ground in Jammu and Kashmir is what the center is focusing upon.
Yes, and this is a welcome move in that sense. At least there is this outreach made to involve the stakeholders, to involve the regional parties in this process. But like you said, on the part of the leaders from J&K, abrogation of Article 370 will be primary in their minds because if I understand this correctly, Ayushman, the Gupkar Alliance, as they call themselves, was formed with the very idea that they will pitch for and continue to struggle to get Article 370 restored.
Afrika, definitely they have got the option to explore because the Prime Minister has called a meeting at his residence and this issue has been there as one of the key issues which has been there in discussion in Kashmir and Jammu for past several days. The leaders have been mentioning it, and also the former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti was also telling this time and again that she would be the one who would be raking up the issue. So definitely they are free to wake up and they will be raking up this issue, but not much can be done. If you see the scenario right now, the restoration is definitely not there on agenda, and the Bharatiya Janata Party in its outreach program has highlighted the abrogation of Article 370 as one of the key achievements. So that is definitely won't be a big agenda. The most important aspect is how the democratic process, how the elections, how the delimitation of the constituencies can be done, and how the leaders who are there from other parties can actually be the part of process as to how the democratically elected government can be someday, not just immediately, but in the coming future can be elected, and people can participate there in that process. That should be definitely be on center's agenda.
Yes, the fact that the leaders have agreed to attend this meeting is also a healthy sign that there is going to be discussion and deliberation on multiple issues. Let's hope some sort of a middle ground is arrived at where the leaders also, of course, like you said, might have their own ideas to pitch. But then larger idea is, of course, that electoral process must take place and the elections going forward will have to be worked out in the union territories of Jammu and Kashmir. Thanks for joining us with the latest, Ayushman.